Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add auto numbering in Microsoft Excel. So for example, here I want to add 1 to 100 numbers in this entire column. For that, all you need to do is enter first number and second number, then select both numbers. Now move your cursor to bottom right. Here you can see the cursor is changing. And now just pull it up to 100. And now you can see I just added 1 to 100 numbers automatically. You can do the same procedure for the rows. First of all, just add first two numbers, then select both numbers and then drag the handle. You can also use this method to add same patterns of numbers. For example, I want to create some numbers of multiples of 3. For that, enter first two numbers and then select and then drag the handle. You can also do this by using the row function. To use the row function, type equal to row, start the bracket, A1 and close the bracket, then press enter. Now select the first column and drag the fill handle across the range that you want to fill. So I hope this is helpful for you guys and see you guys on the next video.